Do you have time to kill and are up to making something with a toilet paper roll or something of the sort? Well, how about a simple doll? It'll be like a cheap and cute gift for yourself or someone else perhaps. You can decorate it however you want, but I'll show you how to create the base. First, you flatten the roll with the help of the tip of the line on the bottom, and then do it again vice versa to give it a squarish base. Determine where you want the base to be so you can divide the bottom by 3 for the 2 legs on the ends and the extra fold in the middle that you can either fold inwards or cut off. In case you were wondering, my toddler sister painted my nails for me, so why they're a little messy. But she did pretty well for her age. But now they're going away, so oh well. At first I cut the ends too short, so I decided to cut them a bit further. For best results, you should lightly draw a straight line to determine where and how far to cut, you know. I did this because I was actually improvising while filming, so I would have done this if I would have known. If you want to keep the middle tabs, they should be in contact with each other when folded inwards, along with the to be folded inwards legs, to make for a great item to hold anything for you inside. Although not the most secure, the finished product should be surprisingly sturdy, like how it started off, according to how the test results came out off screen. Now that the middle tabs were taken off, you can go to the ends of the legs, cut to snip horizontally on both ends towards each other. Then you fold the new tabs inwards to the point where they touch, resulting in the feet of the doll having a triangular base. I guess I could have done a better job showing you the feet or the bottom of the thing, but this is what it should or might look like. After finishing the legs, you can lightly mark where to locate the arms. At first, I was going to cut out arms from the doll itself, which is why I was trying to draw arms, but then I realized that I could give it arms made of roll scraps that I have, so I could cut vertical and horizontal slats, giving the doll more freedom to move its arms. I would have done that, but I happen to have some jumbo craft sticks to spare. There appeared to be an almost invisible line that marked the center of the sticks, so I wanted to highlight that. A technique I used to break the sticks in half is to snip both ends of the line to the best of my ability and then bend it to the point where it snaps in half. Just watch me struggle to do so. Oh yeah, some of those will fly for those in the know. Now that you have the halves, you will split them both in half, like on the previous step, to keep the round ends. Unless you want the messier ends, it doesn't matter. Of course, it'll be more difficult for me to snap. I initially planned on only bending the sticks to the point where they don't break off, so the arms could be jointed, but it was best for me to stick with the shorter arms because I think it fits perfectly. I'm pretty flexible, I guess. Keep in mind that erasing pencil marks from the doll will be easy depending on how dark the marking is. I fixed the markings I made to give it more options to place the arms by making a little cross. I lightly but not completely folded the doll across the vertical line so I could cut the horizontal slot and then cut the vertical slot afterward for both sides of the doll. You can carefully reverse the folds so you made the folds you made so the doll can keep its round figure and no one will notice. Now I can just slip the arms through the vertical or horizontal slot with the round end sticking out. Like I said, it doesn't matter either way. It should be secure. That was the horizontal way, so here's the vertical way now. There was actually no need for glue at all, just roll in some scissors. Now here comes the really fun part. The doll I made was just a plain example, but how you draw the face, the outfit you choose, and what accessories you give it are all up to you. For those curious, I named this little guy Tay. He'll be the mascot of the channel. These dolls could cure your boredom, they could be a book stand, hold your drinks, whatever you want. It's all up to you, but hopefully it was fun to make. Thank you for watching, bye-bye.